I will be taking you through the step-by-step process of assembling your own computer. Whether you're a first-time builder or looking to upgrade your current setup, this video will guide you through the process of building your own computer from start to finish. You'll need a CPU, a motherboard, RAM, storage, a power supply, and a case. If there is now integrated GPU, you will need to add one. Some type of cooling is a must for the CPU and chassis. An operating system such as Windows or Linux will need to be installed and configured. External accessories are display monitor, mouse, and keyboard. It's important to choose components that are compatible with each other and meet your specific needs. Once you have all of your parts, it's time to start assembling the PC. Begin by installing the CPU and CPU cooler onto the motherboard. Next, install the RAM into the appropriate slots on the motherboard. Then, install the storage, such as an SSD or HDD, into the appropriate bays in the case. After that, connect the power supply to the motherboard and other components. Finally, install the motherboard into the case and connect all necessary cables, such as the power switch and LED lights. The final step is to install an operating system, such as Windows or Linux, onto your new PC. This can be done by booting from a USB drive or DVD with the operating system installation files. Follow the prompts on the screen to complete the installation process. And that's it. You've now built your own PC. Building a computer can be intimidating, but with the right parts and a bit of patience, it's a rewarding experience that can save you money and give you a customized setup. Thanks for watching.